Hey there guys, welcome back to another video of all things Apple Plus. Well, we have some exciting news. As I'm filming this video right now, AppValley is currently working with their tweaked apps. So if you're looking to download any of your old favorite emulators, video games, this is the time now to do it. So Merry Christmas. I'm filming this. I'm going to be putting this out immediately on December 25th. So I hope you guys do enjoy this video and this quick tutorial. So we're going to be doing this off of my iPad Pro here. Again, AppValley is currently working and they have all their apps currently ready to use as of today. So if you watch this video on a later time, just know that you may or may not be able to download these applications. But as of right now, at 4 o'clock on December 25th Pacific Standard Time, these apps are currently not revoked, and you're able to download any of these apps that I'm going to show you right now. So let's go ahead and go to AppValley, and then what I want you guys to do is go to app-valley.vip. You may be redirected to go to a different AppValley. Make sure that you do add in that dash. That is the correct website, and I'll leave the link for that in the description down below. Next, go ahead and tap on the actual AppValley icon, and you will receive this pop-up. Make sure that you do hit the allow button here. Go ahead and hit close. And then from here, we're going to go back out into our settings. And from our settings here, let's go ahead and go into general. Actually, excuse me, before we go to general, let's go ahead and go and download and install the actual profile. So we'll hit the install button. We'll go ahead and type in our passcode. And we'll hit done. There we go. Okay. Now that AppValley has been installed right here that you see right here, we're going to go ahead and click on the actual app itself. And from here, you will be brought to their main page. So just wait a moment. There's usually an ad that will pop up from time to time. If it doesn't, then just go ahead and proceed as normal. But usually there's apps or ads that will pop up prompting you to click off the page. But as you can see here, we do have a couple emulators. So like the INDS emulator, we can go ahead and hit the get button, and it's instead of showing unavailable, it does now show get. So we can go ahead and tap on that, go ahead and hit install. And as you can see, it's loading just fine here. So we're going to go ahead and let this load. We're not doing any sort of tricks, no sort of you have to open up 5 web pages, close 5 web pages, any of that. We're not doing anything. All of that, it immediately loads. So as you can see here, we do have the untrusted enterprise developer notification. We can go ahead and cancel that. That is normal. We can find our enterprise app from here. So let's go ahead and look for it. It's the Shanghai Pudong Development Bank. So we're going to go ahead and tap on that, hit trust one more time. Perfect. So we can download and actually use the application. So here's INDS. Perfect. We'll go ahead and hit OK. And the app loads perfectly. So from here, let's go ahead and download one more from AppValley. Let's see here. Let's go ahead and close that out. Go ahead and hit back. And we already have Delta on my MacBook or on my iPad Pro, excuse me. Let's go ahead and check out. Let's do the PPSSPP emulator. Let's see if that one is currently working. Yep, currently working at the moment. So I believe I might have this already installed. Let's take a look. I do. If you do, now I will say this, that if you do have an emulator installed on your drive, or at least on your iPhone or iPad, make sure that you guys do navigate over into the Files app. So let's go ahead and pull up Files. And as you can see here, we have I have a ton of documents and everything here. You're going to actually want to choose what's on your iPad, the PPSSPP emulator, and make sure that you back up this data, because you're going to lose not only your save data, but the actual game itself if you delete the application. So I do want to make you aware of that if you delete any application that has been revoked and install a brand new one, you will have to re-download these files. So what I would recommend is that if you would save these in a different section, so you can go to, on my iPad, you can create a separate folder and actually save from there. Or if you have the downloads folder or the downloads application, or excuse me, not downloads, the documents application, you can save that information here as well too. Re-download the application and then upload all of those files that you've saved, so, or that you've moved over to the documents folder. So let's see here. Let me actually show you guys an example. So I don't even believe do I have Delta? Yes, I do have Delta. So Delta, we have an untrusted enterprise developer notifications. Go ahead and hit cancel. We'll go ahead and delete this one. We'll go ahead and re-download that one again from AppValley. I actually don't even have anything saved from Delta at the moment. So let's go ahead and look up that guy. Hit get. We'll go ahead and hit get one more time, install. And you'll see the app is loading perfectly. Again, no issues, no problems at this moment in time. December 25th at 4:04 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. All these apps are currently being able to use for your pleasure. So go ahead and check out AppValley. Again, I'll leave the links for them in the description down below. Make sure that you guys do check them out as soon as possible. Download as many emulators as you can, because I've placed and I've actually made videos on how to open up these emulators when they have been revoked, and what you can do when, or what, you know, what are the process or the steps are when you need to reopen up these applications when they have been revoked. So make sure you guys do check that out. I hope you guys did like this video. If you guys did, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, check out my other videos from All Things Apple Plus, and I'll be catching you guys on the next video. Peace.